Hey everyone, Destroya here, and today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited PlayStation Plus for totally free. So this method is basically creating a UK in English PayPal account and a UK PlayStation Store account, and linking them together so that when you come to buy the PlayStation Plus free 14-day trial, you won't have to link your credit card. I don't know why, but it's particularly in the UK that you don't have to link your credit card, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this method, we're going to be using three platforms: PlayStation Store, PayPal, and Temp Mail. So Temp Mail is a platform that offers you free temporary emails, and that's what we're gonna use. So when you first get to this website, it's gonna give you an email just like this one over here. So you want to copy it, and that's the email we're gonna use to create the PayPal and the PlayStation Store account. So let's start off with the PayPal. Sign up. Personal account, of course, not a business account. You gotta set the country to United Kingdom. You have to. That is necessary for this method to work. Whatever. And for the email address, put in this email address, the one that Temp Mail gives you. Put in any password. Next. As for the postcode, I suggest you put in SW1A, which is what I'm gonna use, and choose this first one, and it's gonna fill in the flat number in town or city by itself. Address line 1, put in anything, it doesn't really matter. For number, same, put anything. Date of birth, anything, but I think you should make it over 18, so yeah, set it to 1990 or something. Nationality, United Kingdom. Stay logged in for faster checkout. Untick this if you want to, and you have to tick this and agree to create account. Okay, so now we have created our UK PayPal account. You don't really need to verify it, so that's okay. Now that we have our PayPal account, we want to make our PlayStation Network account. So create account, and we're gonna create it with the same email that we created the PayPal one with. Start email address, put in the one you got from Temp Mail, any password. Okay. Next. Never. United Kingdom, you have to put this one as United Kingdom as well. As I told you, if you don't set this one, the PlayStation Network's country to United Kingdom and the PayPal country to United Kingdom, this might not work any day, any month, and make it over 18 as always. Yes, I am 100 years old. So as for the city, London, I don't think you even have to put anything here, but let's just put in London, England, and postcode SW1A. Anything, online ID. Okay, anything as the first name, anything as the last name. Continue. I'm not a robot. Continue. Okay. Green, create account. So now we have both our PayPal UK account and PlayStation Network account. We now need to verify the email, so you're gonna go to the Temp Mail and click on refresh, and you should have the PlayStation Network the PlayStation Network message. Now click on it, and then no, it's actually not this one. We need the one that belongs to the verification. So resend email, we're gonna send it again, and yes, there we have it. So we're gonna click on this account. No, I'm terribly sorry. This one belongs to the PayPal. So you gotta look for the one that belongs to Sunny. That's about verification. Yes, our account registration, and from Sunny. So click on this one and verify your account. Now that you have it verified, you now can come here and click on already verified. Skip, we don't need to put in any phone number. Continue. Let's actually skip this one. Okay, so now we have both our PlayStation Network and PayPal accounts created. So what we're gonna do now is link them. So we're gonna click on this in your PlayStation ID, payment management, add payment method, and add a PayPal account, which is this one. It's already saved, so it's gonna log in by itself. If you have to log in, just log in with the email from temp mail, which you made the PayPal account with, and its password. So yeah, so it already logged in by itself because I have saved it for faster checkouts. Initiating. No, it didn't. You have to agree and continue. Adding PayPal account. So usually when you add a PayPal account to any PlayStation Network account, it asks you for a credit card if it's not already linked to your PayPal account. But since this is the one that's from UK, so you don't have to link a credit card. Now that you have your PayPal added as a payment method, you want to head to PlayStation Plus and membership, and you could get this. You could get this 14-day trial for totally free. Subscribe, order, and pay. And we have it now. If you go to the home page and refresh, yes, as you can see, we have the PlayStation sign. So if you come to like the games that are exclusive to PlayStation Plus, like Call of Duty Black Ops 2, add to basket, show basket, and proceed to checkout, order, and pay. As you can see, it's added to the download list. So now I own the game as a PlayStation Plus member. So there's one more thing you need to do. So after you've bought your PlayStation Plus free trial, 14-day free trial, you want to go to payment management and then remove the PayPal account you just linked, because you want to use it with other accounts. So after this 14-day trial is over, you can get it again for free. So you'll have to create a new PlayStation Network account, and if you remove this PayPal account from this PlayStation Network account, you won't have to create another PayPal account for the other PlayStation Network account. So you can use one PayPal account, which is this one, for all the PlayStation Store accounts you make every 2 weeks by just removing them from the account you link them to after you purchase the 14-day trial. So we're gonna remove this, so that once we create a new account, a new PlayStation Store account, we won't have to create a new PayPal account. And yeah, that was basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you benefit from this method. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.